Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome, whether you closed one tab by mistake or all of them at once. Let's start with the quickest way. If you just closed a tab, press Ctrl-Shift-T on Windows or Command-Shift-T on Mac. This instantly reopens your last closed tab, and you can press it multiple times to bring back more. You can also right-click on the tab bar at the top. Then choose Reopen Closed Tab. Super simple. If you accidentally closed the entire browser window, don't worry. Just open Chrome again, right-click on the top bar, and click Reopen Closed Window. It will bring back everything you had open. For older tabs that you closed earlier, you can check your history. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to History, and you'll see a list of all your recently closed tabs and windows. Just click on any page to reopen it. And that's how you restore closed tabs in Chrome. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.